Good morning, friends. Today we start the topic of aldol condensation. Now here is aldol condensation. What is aldol condensation? One molecule of aldehyde and one molecule of ketone which is reacts to each other to form the product. It's known as the aldol condensation. Aldehyde plus ketone to gives the aldol product, and that's why this reaction is known as aldol condensation reaction. Now firstly we see here the structure. Here is a carbonyl carbon. This carbonyl carbon which is attached to the alpha carbon. The carbon atom adjacent to the carbonyl carbon is called alpha carbon. The carbon atom which is attached to the adjacent carbonyl carbon atom, or the carbon atom adjacent to the carbonyl carbon, it is called as alpha carbon atom. And the hydrogen atom which is attached to the alpha carbon atom, it is called as alpha hydrogen atom. Now here is hydrogen attached to the alpha carbon, and that's why called as alpha hydrogen. This adjacent carbon of carbonyl group which is known as alpha carbon, and this hydrogen which is attached to alpha carbon, it is known as alpha hydrogen. It's one of the most important part in this reaction of alpha hydrogen. And this alpha hydrogen, it is acidic in nature. This alpha hydrogen is acidic in nature because it's form the nucleophile, and these nucleophile get shifted to carbon-carbon single bond, and carbonyl group is also. This alpha hydrogen is acidic in nature because its reason is that here is strong electron withdrawing inductive effect of a carbonyl carbon. Why this hydrogen is acidic? Because the strong electron withdrawing inductive effect on this carbonyl carbon, because here is carbonyl carbon creates a strong electron withdrawing inductive effect, and that's why this alpha hydrogen is showing in acidic in nature. Second reason is that resonance stabilization of conjugate base. Now see here, this aldol condensation reaction takes place in presence of dilute base NaOH, sodium hydroxide, KOH, and Na2CO3, and that's why this hydrogen is abstract this base, and this single bond shifted to this alpha carbon and to form the carbanion. Now here we can write down carbanion, and this nucleophilic group can be shifted to this carbon-carbon single bond. to create a double bond between the carbonyl carbon and alpha carbon, and the double bond of carbonyl carbon and oxygen shifted to the oxygen atom, and here creates the negative charge on oxygen element, and this negative charge again return or shifted this charge to the single bond of carbon and oxygen to create a double bond, and this double bond between the carbonyl carbon and alpha carbon again shifted to this alpha carbon and make the carbanion, and this structure is known as resonance hybrid structure, and that's why this alpha hydrogen is made or showing the acidic in nature, and it's easy way to takes place the reaction and to create the carbanion nucleophile, and this nucleophile readily attacks on another ketonic group of carbonyl carbon, another aldehydic carbonyl carbon reacts with very easy, directly attacks on this carbonyl carbon. That's why to make the reaction of aldol condensation, and this aldol condensation takes place in presence of dilute NaOH, dilute KOH and Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. Now here is the presence of dilute base NaOH, KOH, Na2CO3, two molecules of aldehyde or two molecules of ketones having the alpha hydrogen added together to give the beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone. That's why beta hydroxyaldehyde called as aldol and beta hydroxyketone called as ketone, and this reaction is known as aldol condensation reaction. The two molecules of aldehyde or two molecules of ketone having the alpha hydrogen added together, this alpha hydrogen added together to give the beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone, and this reaction is known as aldol condensation reaction. Previously we also showed here the alpha hydrogen of the aldehydic group which create the nucleophile and its beta nucleophilic compound which is directly attacks on another group of aldehydic carbonyl carbon or ketonic carbonyl carbon and to form the aldol condensation reaction. Now here is also showing the region of acidic hydrogen. First region is that strong electron withdrawing inductive effect of carbonyl carbon compound, and another region is of the acidic hydrogen is resonance effect, resonance stabilization of conjugate base carbanion. This is resonance effect showing here the negative charge or nucleophile of alpha carbon shifted to this single carbon carbon, and this carbonyl carbon double bond shifted to oxygen and again returns this minus or negative charge shifted to this single bond of carbonyl carbon, and double bond of carbon carbon shifted to single alpha carbon, and that's why this resonance stabilization alpha hydrogen makes a more acidic, and it's make a more acidic to a good nucleophile create on alpha carbon, and this good nucleophile is easily attacks of the carbonyl carbon and that's why the two aldehydic group, two ketonic group, one nucleophilic alpha carbon readily or directly attacks on carbonyl carbon and to form the aldol condensation reaction. Now next is here nucleophilic attacks. Nucleophilic addition of one molecule of alpha aldehyde or alpha ketone to a second molecule in such way that the alpha carbon of first molecule attached to the carbonyl carbon of second molecule. Means here the alpha carbonyl carbon which is directly attacks on carbonyl carbon of second molecule attached to the carbonyl carbon of second molecule. In this way we see the reaction how two molecules of aldehydic reaction takes place in presence of base, and this reaction is a reversible reaction, and sometime if the aldol condensation takes place the product undergoes in acidic condition, they also give the unsaturated compounds. They are also giving the unsaturated compounds. Now first we see the reaction of aldehydic two aldehydic groups. Reaction presence of two aldehydic group. Alpha hydrogen which is attached to carbonyl carbon, base abstract this hydrogen and shifted to their actually here is the plus, here is first group of acetaldehyde and another group of also acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde first compound and is also acetaldehyde. Second compound in presence of dilute NaOH we can write down here NaOH. Now reaction showing the reversible, we show the direct product and below showing the mechanism. Here is to attach this carbonyl carbon directly and hydroxyl group is formed. Here is we represent the hydrogen atom because we say that here acetaldehyde this alpha hydrogen which is directly attached to this carbonyl carbon, and this carbonyl carbon here is alpha carbon. It is alpha carbon. This is the alpha carbon. Alpha carbon. So beta group. This is beta hydroxy compound known as beta hydroxyaldehyde. Beta hydroxyaldehyde. In this way, similar way, ketonic compounds also showing the ketonal or ketone product. Alpha hydrogen form the nucleophile and which is directly attached to second carbonyl carbon of ketone, and to form the ketone. Similar way, this reaction is also. Now here we see the mechanism in which way to takes place these attacks. The mechanism we show here. Now firstly we give the acetaldehyde. First now here is the carbonyl carbon acetaldehyde group. Acetaldehyde. Hydroxy group. Hydroxy group abstract the alpha hydrogen of alpha carbon atom from alpha carbon atom. Okay, this hydrogen abstract the hydroxyl group of dilute. To form the carbanion. In this reaction, the mechanism of first step is the hydroxyl group abstract the alpha hydrogen from alpha carbon. Here is this alpha hydrogen is acidic in nature, and this alpha hydrogen abstract the hydroxyl group of dilute bases NaOH, KOH or Na2CO3 to make the carbanion, and in second step this carbanion directly attacks of carbonyl carbon of second aldehydic group. Now here is second step. Carbonyl carbon. Now second step here, remove the water molecule H2. This carbanion attacks on the second aldehydic compound. Now this reaction here takes place. Second step. second aldehyde compound. Now here is carbanion attacks on the second aldehyde group. Now here carbanion, which is attacks on the carbonyl carbon of second aldehyde group to form the intermediate alkoxide. And third step is that this oxygen negative charge abstract the hydrogen of this water molecule and to given the aldol product, and this aldol product is known as beta hydroxyaldehyde. This is abstract H plus. And to choose the product, here we can write down this product CH3 COH H CH2 C double bond OH. Now here is alpha and beta. Beta hydroxyaldehyde. Now in this way the aldol condensation reaction takes place. Similar way two ketonic groups are also reacts. Four types of products is formed: aldehyde aldol condensation, ketone aldol condensation, aldehyde ketone aldehyde products are formed. In this way, simple way you can takes place these reactions, and it's easy way to understand. This reaction takes place between the two aldehyde groups, two ketonic groups, because the alpha acidic hydrogen is very easily removed and to form the nucleophile, and its active nucleophile reacts with another carbonyl carbon of aldehyde or ketonic group, and that's why the aldol condensation reaction takes place. Thank you. Like and subscribe.